Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Labs. Today is Wednesday, August 15, 2018. I'm Mark Brash, your host, and to my right is our family refrigerator, the Samsung model RF217ACRS. Bought it about 5 years ago. This is to be part of a ongoing series and a more regular schedule of videos that I hope to be producing very soon. Also upcoming, I'm going to be doing an electric lawnmower conversion, but right now let's talk about Samsung major appliances. So let me start by saying that, sorry I've been gone for so long. Trust me, it will be worth it. It is for me. I am presently gainfully self-employed, and things are looking very good right now. So I hope to be spending a lot more time in the lab, a lot more time in front of the camera, doing live streaming, etc., etc. But like I said, this is to be part of a regular ongoing series, hopefully helpful how-tos and how not-tos. And if you're in the market for a refrigerator, trust me, stay away from Samsung. We bought this refrigerator about 5 years ago. It was to be our Thanksgiving Day present to ourselves. It has in fact turned out to be one of the worst major appliance nightmares of our entire lives. Within 1 year of purchasing this refrigerator, the controller at the top of the refrigerator between the doors failed. So we had a Samsung authorized technician come out and replace it under warranty. At the same time, the Samsung tech said to us, there's also a product recall on this refrigerator. Maybe you'd like me to apply that patch too. I was like, oh sure, what is it? Well, there's a problem with the evaporator drain tube at the back of the refrigerator. Seems that it has a tendency to freeze up and spill over into the crisper trays. Now, we hadn't yet experienced that problem, but I figured, sure, what the hell, you know, let's get everything done in one shot. So he applied the factory recall upgrade to the refrigerator. That was service call number 1. In total, in 5 years, we have had a total of 4 service calls, the remaining 3 at our expense, all for the drain tube freezing problem. Isn't that special? So you see here at the back of the refrigerator, this is the backplane that houses the styrofoam ductwork where the evaporator feeds its cool air and circulates it around the compartment for the refrigerator. This piece of styrofoam became so waterlogged that it would literally freeze over the vents inside the refrigerator and of course clog the drain tube and spill into the crisper trays and fill them up. And on the 3rd visit, the technician replaced it, put in a brand new one, and said, oh, by the way, if this ever happens again, just defrost your refrigerator and it will be fine again. I was like, wait a minute, excuse me? You telling me that we have to defrost our frost-free refrigerator? Thank you, Samsung. Thank you so much for that. So since that time, we've had to defrost it 2 more times. And right now, we're on defrost number 3. Okay? I am beyond furious. Beyond furious. Each time I defrosted it the last time, it lasted maybe 6 to 8 weeks. And then we're back to the same old problem, drain tube frozen and crisper trays filling up. This week, we add to the list of problems that the freezer compartment down below decided to stop freezing. So the controller board said that, oh, no, everything's fine. You know, you got -2 degrees Fahrenheit. No, stick a thermometer in there. I got 33 degrees Fahrenheit. And a milkshake for ice cream. Not happy. Not happy. So the moral of the story is, if you are in the market for a major appliance, specifically a refrigerator, stay away from Samsung. They are positively the worst refrigerators on planet Earth. That's all for now. Thanks for joining me. Hope you found this little review useful. I hope to save you a lot of grief in the future. Hope you'll join me for my future videos. Please rate, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, peace, everybody.